Welcome everyone to this amazing and wonderful session of English. Today we are going to learn something very new and different. It is the different kind of hand gestures we use, right? What does those hand gestures mean? Today we are going to learn this very interesting topic. So let's get started. Our first hand gesture is knock on wood or just touch wood. What does that mean? You must have seen people touching wood whenever they say something good, right? It is just a superstition which we perform in order to prevent our good luck, right? For example, if I say that I had a very good exam and I hope it results well, and then I just touch some wooden object nearby, it means that I want to prevent my good luck. I just wish that it happens, right? Nothing just jinx it. Alright? So this we have done. Our next one is quotes, right? You must have wondered what does that mean, right? It means when you want to emphasize on something, right? Are you going there? Right? I'm emphasizing. Will you be going there? That's what it means. Another meaning that we can derive from this are quotes. It is if somebody said to me that say Ram is handsome, but I don't believe that. I don't believe that Ram is handsome. So I used the quotes because someone said to me, someone passed some information to me, but I don't believe that particular information. So kind of I'm just emphasizing on it, right? She said that Ram is handsome, but what it actually means that I don't believe it, that he's handsome. Okay, right. So we are done with this. Next one is fingers crossed, right? What does that mean? I do this when I want something just happens. My wish just comes true, right? I hope that my interview goes well, right? What does that mean? That I am trying, that just it happens. I'm wishing it happens, right? But if I am doing this and I'm putting it behind my back, right? It just means something different. What? That I'm lying. If I say this and I say I'll be going to the movie, it means I'm lying. Okay? That means different. This is the difference. Alright? So we are done with this. Our next one is peace. Right? You must have seen those WhatsApp emoticons. Right? What does that mean? Peace. Alright? In these times of wars and all, people used to just do this. Peace. Let's see some more hand gestures. Rock on. This is our next one. What is it? Rock on. Right? It is mostly related to music. If somebody asks you, how was the music concert? And you were just like, rock on, right? So we are done with this. Now this was rock on and this is I love you. Alright. So it is, this gestures means what? I love you. Alright. Interesting, no? Right. So our next one is okay or nice work. This is an easy one, right? This is very easy one. Okay, right? We do this all the time, right? How was the movie? Okay. How was the assignment? Okay, right? Or you can just also say nice work, right? If I say how was my assignment and my teacher just replies nice work, right? Let's look at the next one. It is I don't know. I don't know. Right, very easy and common one we use in all the cultures, right? I don't know, right? Next is come here. We do this now. If we want to call someone from a distance, we do this. Come here, right? So this is a very simple one. Next one is also come here, but it just mean come here because you are in trouble. Understand it? What does that mean? Come here because you are in trouble. Your teacher or your boss can do this. Right? Your teachers must do this whenever you do something mischievous, right? So we are done with both of them. Next is please, I beg you. है ना? What does that mean? If you want to request someone, please come with me to the movie. Right? Very common one, very easy one, and very interesting one, right? Next, it went over my head. What does that mean? Right? It went over my head. If my class is going on, it's not very interesting, and I was like just, right? Means everything that the teacher is teaching is like, it just went over my head. I hope that you don't need to do this for this particular class, right? You can use it when in the Viva, right? How was the Viva? It was like, whoosh. All the questions were like, whoosh. Right? Next is thumbs up. What does that mean? A good luck, right? You do this. I'm going for my exam, so you will be like, all the best, right? And it's opposite. Thumbs down. What does that mean? If I say, the next one is just thumbs down. If I say, how's my shirt looking? And you're like, not good, right? It is mostly for not good. And sometimes this is also used for like teasing someone in order to tell them that they are losers. It happens, right? You are like, we do this, right? Kids do this. But we should not do this, right? So we are done with this as well. Next one is quite important and interesting. Say, if you go to some restaurant and you are just waiting for the bill, right? So you just make the eye contact with the waiter or waitress and you just go like, you just pretend like this is a paper and this is a pen and you go like, means get the bill or get the check, right? A very common and interesting one, right? Next time you go to some nice place, you'll be like, right? What does that mean? Get the bill or get the check. So we are done with this. Next is snap, snap. What does that mean? Means very quickly. I did my homework, snap, snap. Means very fast, very quick, right? I did my exam, snap, snap. Very fast, very quickly. Next one is blah, 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 blah. It's not a word in English, but it is just simply a gesture. How? If you are not interested in what the person is saying to you and you are not interested in whatever he's saying, so you just go like, she's like blah, 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 blah. This is the hand gesture we use, right? You do this, and she goes like blah, 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 blah. It means she's too talkative and I'm not interested in whatever he or she is saying, right? So we are done with this as well. Our next one is hitchhike. What does that mean? You do this, right? You may do this, right? If you are just standing on a street and you do this, it means that you are waiting for a car to pick you up if you do not have any transportation, right? You want to go somewhere else, but you do not have any transportation, so you do this. So you can just say a car will come and may pick you up, and will leave you to the desired destination, right? So it is lift, you can say, or hitchhike, right? Next is don't shoot. What is it? Woo, don't shoot. How will you use this? If police is pointing a gun at you and you're like, whoa, don't shoot, right? You go like this. So it's like, don't shoot, right? And the same gesture can be used for to tell someone to relax, to calm down, right? If someone is just yelling at you, you can just like, whoa, relax, calm down, right? So these are the same gestures which could be used for don't shoot and relax, right? So we are done with these two, right? Our next one is, we do this all the time to our friends. What does that mean? That you are dead. Somebody just did something mischievous or bad to you and you're like, you will be dead. I'll get you, right? So you can use it in a friendly way, right? With your friends. I hope there is no need to use it in a very real way that somebody's dead, all right? So we are done with this. Next is anticipation. Anticipation means you are just anticipating what will happen next, right? We do this, we just rub our hands, right? I hope that it happens. You're just anticipating it will happen, right? So we do this, we just rub our hands together. Right. So the next one is live long and prosper, right? Maybe I'm not able to do this, but this, right? What does that mean? Live long and prosper. All right. So that was it in today's class. I hope you enjoyed it.